Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in XPro Markets broker. Enter the TradingFinder website. In Forex Broker section, go to XPro Markets profile. Click on Go to Website. Then we enter the website. For registration, click on Create Account. Then we enter the registration section. Enter your name, last name, email address, and phone number, plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering all the information, check this box if you want to receive support with the phone registration, or if you want to receive newsletters, special promotions, emails, and SMS, you can check this box. For agreeing to the terms and conditions of the website, check this box. Finally, click on Proceed. Then we enter our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in XPro Markets Broker. Good luck.